Hello, viewers, all the management students, and anyone that has to do anything with management may is welcome on this portal of author Arun Chadda. I'm sure you are going to enjoy the topic for the day that relates to coordination ability. This is an essential trait of a growing business person. Coordination means supervision and monitoring of organization or operations functions. No organization can be manned unless and until we don't supervise it, monitor it, create some kind of formats to evaluate our operations on the shop floor, our operations in the field, in the market, the purchase area, the marketing area. We require certain checklists. Checklists are required by the organizations to sustain the standards of quality. Coordination has to be carried out on day-to-day basis. It cannot be avoided. We have to structure graphs, see where we are improving, where we are lagging behind. The primary reporting formats have to be transferred on data sheets that facilitate taking vital decisions for the people in managerial cadre within the organization. These data sheets have to be further reviewed and further analyzed to find out where are the possibilities an organization can get stuck up so that adequate caring measures can be initiated. Coordination also means giving spot instructions to ground level and front desk people operating within the organization. It is rendering guidance at gangplank level. Most of the organizations have in-groups. In these in-groups, leaders are there. There is a first line and second line of hierarchy. That first and second line of hierarchy requires information, needs to supervise, needs to monitor, issue proper instructions so that the organizational machinery keeps on functioning. A practical example in manning a canoe race, lot of coordination is involved. There are 20 to 30 participants that coordinate with their team leader, shouting slogans on a drum beat. All of them are focused on that drum beat and the slogans of their leader. And somehow or the other, they need to push the canoe to the winning point. This cannot be avoided. This is the best example of coordination in normal life. The in-groups in organizations have leaders that have motivation ability. They can see through the ground level reports and mend the things. The information from here reaches the supervision or middle level or middle order managers that transfer it to data sheet and look at it at microeconomic level. They can make certain anticipations on the basis of that and work out their ways for improving the coordination function within the organization. It's a chain link. A block will operate only when people will coordinate. Organization will operate when all the blocks will coordinate. So it is a vital function that cannot be ignored. That is all for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video and wish you happy coordination, smooth coordination within your organizations and for students, day-to-day operations. Enjoy your life. Thank you.